We've been talking about change. What do you mean when you say the word change?
Being, let me see, that I am an African-American baby boomer, my immediate thought when I think change is all the different changes that I've seen come and go in my lifetime. I'm 55 plus, not quite 56. And so, I mean, I saw the 60s, the 70s, the cocaine rage of the 80s. The 90s were sort of no change at all for me. I just sort of coasted. And this millennium, obviously, there's definitely, I'm sort of sensing, like, when I say change, I think the big picture, at least in this country. Not so much politically. This may or may not, somebody out there may know what I'm talking about, but for years now I have read the J.B. Robb series. They're written by Nora Roberts, and they are all set in New York, this millennium, like 2059, 2060, and in terms of programs and structures and systems in the country. It's been very interesting to me, and I think that nowadays when I think that we are actually going to arrive at that place where there is really no black or white. The entire country is multiracial, multisexual, and I think that we're moving towards that. Now, in terms of personal change, I'm looking for a big one. If I have my only brand new nest, that's who is 18 in April, and hopefully he will move on. And I see my life changing, hopefully in a positive way. I should be able to get back to myself. The whole mama thing was nice, but it got old. No, I'm just joking.
And congratulations for raising a... Yeah.
Mom did have to work.
Yeah.
We picked up the hard years, as we like to call it, 15 to the end. Let's see.
Well, what needs to stay in all the change that you've seen and in all the change you anticipate? What's important to have remain constant or the same?
I think that individuality needs to remain constant. I think that people should remain true to themselves and the things they believe in. Not necessarily things that change their beliefs past 30. I think they're pretty much set in stone for most people. Basic character traits, and I don't think that people should change them. Excuse me a moment.
Okay.
What drink did you have, ma'am?
The Venti Doctor.
Did you have room for cream? Thank you.
I'm getting Starbucks on film. See?
213.
Isn't that the cutest thing?
That'll be 213.
Ma'am, we can eat 13.
So you're
Isn't that
interviewing,
amazing?
huh?
Yeah. But it picks up the audio and the video. It's incredible. I know. I've been going all around the country asking people what they mean when they say the word change. Get some fascinating responses. And there's some things that people are saying that are very in common.
Yeah.
1787 is your change. Thank you, ma'am. You have a grande.
Thank you.
What did you